Hello Dnation and welcome to the Hot Wheels Unbox and Review series. In today's episode, for a change, we are going to be unboxing a set of 5 1/64th scale 2020 special edition cars which are manufactured by Hot Wheels. And these are the 5 premium diecast cars that piqued my interest and I grouped them together for today's episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels diecast cars come in a signature Hot Wheels cardbox blister packaging with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance, these diecast cars look quite premium and have a good build quality to them and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 2.5 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1 inch in width and weighing at about 90 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint apps according to their amazing color scheme and branding details and have free-rolling wheels and a lot more which make them functional and a premium collectible. So as you can see, these are the 5 different 2020 special edition diecast cars that I grouped together for today's episode. So let's quickly run through the model names of these premium Hot Wheel cars. And let's begin by taking a look at the mangatuner, which is from the Toon series. Well, I really loved the red variant of this Toon diecast car right from the moment I laid my eyes on it. A beautiful and funky looking little car, overall a beauty and a stunner. And next up we have the koolkombi from the Volkswagen series. Well, I love this variant of this truck and it stands out with its drag race bodywork, red and blue decals on white paint and a chrome wheelie bar. An absolute stunner and overall an awesome drag-worthy diecast replica and a banger of a truck. And what we're looking at now is the all-new 2020 rvthereyet truck, which is from the Toon series. Well, I love this combo of a truck and an RV camper all in one in this impressive diecast model, and I'm glad I got my hands on this one. Overall, an amazing and unique diecast model for one's collection. And next up is the 56 Ford F100, which is from the Hot Wheels Art Cars series. And off the bat, I love the sleek and classy variant of this model with its glossy white paint job and this signature Queen of Hearts theme graphics, which makes this replica stand out from the rest. And the chrome blowout engine on this one is a beautiful add-on. Overall, a real elegant, amazing and unique diecast replica. And finally we have the supervan, which is also from the Hot Wheels Art Cars series. Well, this exclusive edition was hard to get my hands on and I'm glad I finally got this variant to match up with the previous diecast beauty. And I really love the bodywork, the custom white paint and the signature King of Hearts decals on this one. Overall an amazing replica and a must-have for one's collection. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm a big fan of Hot Wheels cars and I decided to go with this theme for this Hot Wheels episode. And this is just one of the 12 episodes in this Hot Wheels series, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium diecast cars by Hot Wheels. And so with that being said, let's take a closer look and check out the bodywork and the functionality of these amazing diecast replicas, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast beauties in the description below. So let's go ahead and take a look. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these premium Hot Wheels diecast models. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast cars on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of diecast toys that was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was the primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997 when Mattel bought Tyco Toys, then owner of Matchbox. Many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make scale models of their cars, allowing the use of original design blueprints and detailing. Although Hot Wheels were originally intended for children and young adults, they have now become popular with the adult collectors, for whom limited edition models are now made available. And every now and then Hot Wheels comes out with a special edition collector's series as well. And for its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of its 4 billionth car with the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000 US. It had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as taillights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Hot Wheels cars that are featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these Hot Wheels cars are your favorite. And I want to take this opportunity to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. So please continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the Hot Wheels episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheels diecast cars coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.